Wow. I'm calling in from Marion, Ohio, and I'm still trying to figure out what I want to be when I grow up. And you sent the email, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just felt so honored that I was already in. So I came to listen.
Did you do voice stuff when you were a kid? Is this something you're tapping into?
Yes.
Or some people say I became a grandmother, I make up all kind of funny voices, I have the whole house laughing. What made you say, I think I got what it takes. I think I can do this?
Because like when I'm on the phone, a lot of my friends they like to hear the way that I talk, and I have a deep voice for a woman, and I think it's sultry. And
Mhm.
then I like to be silly. I like to play. I like to laugh, and I also sing. So I'm just like trying to find a way how I could get in where I fit in.
Doesn't she have a voice like you just want to lay your head on her bosom and have her tell you stories all day? I mean, the warmth and love in your voice, honey. You are a mama bear, Tony Bear. You got that mama bear stuff. Oh my God. You can't put that in a bottle. I have a deep voice too, but I don't have the rounded tones that you have that give that maternal, grand maternal kind of
Wow.
thing. Yeah, but that's really special.